Seated arm slides are amazing and more difficult than they look. They are really great for a tight upper back and neck, and you can also get a good pec stretch in at the same time. So sit with your back up against the wall, nice and tall. You want to press your head back against the wall, keep your neck long. Raise and lower your arms on the wall without overarching your back or letting your ribs flare. So I like to bring my arms at a 90-degree angle to start and then do an overhead extension. This is also a great progression exercise to get you ready for overhead presses and help with your range of motion with any sort of overhead work.